lumalaban sa bagong pagsubok na kanyang hinaharap. Buong tapang at buong puso niyang ilalahad. Jackie Forster sa The Buzz Exclusives. Habang muling binubuo ang pangarap ng isang masayang pamilya, kasama ang kanyang Dutch husband at 2 anak sa Malaysia, hinarap ni Jackie ang malaking dagok na sumubok sa kanyang tatag bilang ina. Pebrero ng taong ito, na-diagnose na may sakit na leukemia o cancer of the blood ang kanyang 3 taong gulang na bunsong anak na si Kaylee.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Para ipakita ang pagmamahal sa anak na kinailangang magpakalbo dahil sa chemotherapy, nagdesisyon din si Jackie na gupitin ang sariling buhok.
She was scared, so umpisa natatakot siya magtanong. Pero when she goes to the hospital, nakikita niya lahat sila magkakamuka. So she needed to know eventually. So we did it medyo gradual. She mentioned that she misses her long hair. When is my hair gonna grow long? And I felt like it was time for me to tell her.
Kanina, Jackie, the blame game, you go through that, when something happens to somebody dear to us, are you over it?
I'm over it. I didn't go through it. I just wanted to know why it needed to happen. But if you see the kind of inspiration Kaylee is, what she does even to the nurses when they're tired.
What does she do?
She sings for them.
Let it go! Can't afford it back anymore.
Jackie, maraming mga magulang, mga nanay at tatay, maraming mga tao na ang pinagdadaanan ay katulad ng pinagdadaanan mo.
Yeah.
People who are sick. What is your message for all of them?
Just have to focus on the good. What you need to do so the person gets well. Most important is the person is happy. So make that person's life happy. Kaylee, she'll have chemo or a surgery, any procedure. She'll wake up the next day, she'll ask me to open the windows, and she'll tell me to look out and see how beautiful the sunrise is. She paints for me, and she'll paint a boat with water, and she'll paint the sky pink, and I'll tell her, Kaylee, it's supposed to be blue. No, Mom. It's pink and orange. And I'll say, okay. Days later, and she'll say, Mom, look out. See, I told you so.
Oh, God.
She's an angel.
Thank you.